What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing more of a little bit of update. And as you can see, we have the dual valve springs in from SuperTech. And if you've never done valve springs, they're pretty simple. You use the tower with this rod to create a fulcrum, and you will pry down on the retainer, and you're gonna have these two little keepers that is gonna keep the retainer from popping off and the spring shooting out. So
long brain not having turbo boosted having thing is this? What in wires? Back in my day, we had carburetors. All we had to do was change the jet and go out and do another test hit. Look at these boys with their fancy computers and their rice cookers over here going to the track, taking all the time, rolling the axles. Oh man, I'm getting tired of this. Where are the bald eagles at? Where are the bald eagles? I can't hear them. I can't hear them when these Japanese rice makers. Bang, 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 bang. Two-step here, two-step that. Man, I don't need no two-step. All I need is bald eagles, and let me hear them fly away when I'm yapping all these little Japanese fools. Man, turbo mic if you don't get out of here. With your, there ain't no replacement for displacement. You see this sushi maker right there? That will grab your ass, boy. Now that we got rid of all that nonsense, we're gonna get right into this video. And today we got a 70mm throttle body that we're gonna be installing, and we're gonna be showing you what you need to do to be able to run this bigger of a throttle body. And this is not as big as they get, but this is as good as we're gonna get for our build, and then using a b20 intake manifold. And we're gonna put side-by-side comparison pictures right here. This is going to be our stock B18 ported, and this is a B16 intake manifold. If you're watching this video for the throttle body, if you're going to use this throttle body, you have to pour out your intake manifold, or do what is called port match, to be able to get all of the horsepower out of this throttle body. If not, you might as well just put your straw right there and call it boost, because you're going to be doing more damage than any good. Come down to my workbench right here, and as you can see, I got nice port match flow, and since it's gonna be very thin on the edges of the air control valve channels, I'm gonna put some RVT to kind of help it seal it through. Then we're gonna put the throttle body on. We're gonna use very rusty bolts that we found. Now, using the incorrect Allen key, we're gonna tighten these bolts up. Make sure they're nice and safely snug so they can handle all the boost. Then now we're gonna move on to the ports, and we also ported the runners just because I was there. Not that you should, because stop life. If you're really sensitive, don't take this the serious way. But anyways, if you know what you're doing, you put RVT in your gaskets. Because, you know, a lot of people say that they know what they're doing, but they really don't know what the they're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna install the intake manifold. Send help.
And we're back. I got intake galliful for the Jamaicans out there. All bolted up, ready to go, ready to see some boost through here. And I guarantee you that thing is ready to go. I bet you if I stand on that thing, it won't go anywhere. You wanna bet? Brand new racing papa. Anyways, now that we got that out of the way and we secured that intake manifold, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go down there, leave a like and subscribe. For the love of God, just please subscribe. And also, I'm gonna put a little box right here, and it says that 99% of you guys that are watching my videos are not even subscribed. Like, come on, man, help a fellow out. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. I'm a whole joke.